Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pujara, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this look. This look is created by me to show how you should do your makeup as a wedding guest. Now there's only one thing that you should remember as a wedding guest is that you are a guest at the wedding and not the bride. So your makeup should be appropriate for the occasion, also depending on what your relation is with the bride or the groom. So this is just a guest makeup. I know everyone gets really excited when they hear of weddings and they want to put their best foot forward, wear the best outfit, do the best makeup, but it's very important you know the kind of makeup that you should be doing for somebody else's wedding. This is a beginner friendly video again. I've created this really simple 3-step brown smoky eye. This can go with any outfit, western or traditional as well. I've gone ahead with this really nice glowing base so that it looks very wedding friendly. Looks simple, but at the same time you have that perfect amount of glam to go to a wedding. Please keep on watching. Try to use affordable products as much as I could in this video as well, but some of the products also go up till 1000 rupees, but all of the products are for sure below 1000 rupees, so it is also very affordable. Please keep on watching to know how I got this look. So let's begin. Starting with a moisturizer, and with the moisturizer I'm mixing the COLORBAR Spotlight Illuminating Lotion to give a nice sheen to my face. Now I'm just going to use the PAC or Pack Pore Primer wherever I have open pores. Base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm using the PH Cosmetics Zodiac Capricorn palette. Start with this neutral toned brown. As usual, putting the warm shade in my crease as a transition. Once it's blended out nicely, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics brown kajal, and now I'm going to fill half of my lid with the kajal to give it a nice brown smoky effect. Once you have applied the kajal, you just blend the edges of the kajal into the transition to make it look nice and gradient. So I'm just going to mix this and this together, this shade and this shade, and I'm going to pat it everywhere I had applied my kajal. This ensures that the kajal that you use gets locked in place once you pat a similar colored eyeshadow on top of it. Now I already have a video on how I do my base, so I'm just going to leave the link in the description box. I'm just going to color correct, add some foundation and add some concealer under my eyes to add some brightness, and I'm going to set it all in place with a loose powder. If you have oily skin, then setting your face with a loose powder is a must. You can see once my base is done, my eyes look much better. I cleaned out all the fallouts caused due to the eyeshadow, and now my base and my eyes look much better. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some warmth to my face by doing some contouring. Again, I already have an in-depth video about how to contour your face, how to contour, blush and highlight your face, so I will be leaving the link of that video in the description box if you wish to learn how to contour, blush and highlight. So I'm going to use this really dusty pink, and it is a cream blush from Sugar Cosmetics. It's really easy to work with. I'm just going to apply. Easily blendable with your hands as well, in case if you don't have a specific brush for blush. I do have a brush, but I just want to use my hands. As you can see, it is already blended into my skin and it gives me like a really nice natural glow. It doesn't look too heavy. You can always go ahead and add some more, but I am not that much of a blush fan. But if you're a wedding guest, then maybe you can go a little more. I'm just going to beat my cheeks really gently. Don't beat your cheeks like vigorously. Really blendable. It's a very nice and natural blush, and it makes you look as if you don't have any product on the skin, and this is like the natural flushed look that you get on your cheeks. Highlighter, I'm using the NYKAA highlighter that broke, gold one. I'm making sure that the highlighter blends with my transition. Shadow is all matte, but to just lift the look, I think highlighter really helps to add that glam effect even if you are going for a simple look. My face has a really beautiful glow to it, so if you are a wedding guest, this could be your glam. Brown eyeliner on your lash line, or you could use a black eyeliner, but I just want to use a brown eyeliner just to kind of bind the look together. Any minute gaps between your lash line and your eyeshadow, it gets covered and it really brings your look together. Now the next step is that I'm just going to put it in my waterline and I'm going to bring it out a little bit. Just going to smudge it. Connect the two, like make sure it gets blended with this eyeshadow. There should be no gap here. I'm going to blend it with the transition, and I'm just going to use it over wherever I smoked the lower lash line so that it blends even more and doesn't look too harsh on my skin. I'm just using the Blue Heaven mascara that I used. You can go and add false lashes as well if you like, but I really like this mascara. As you can see the difference. I don't like using false lashes unnecessarily unless I am going to be the bride someday, but not for somebody else's wedding. The mascara has definitely added that extra. I'm not going to spend too much time on them. Beautiful lip pencil by Primark. So I have used this particular lip liner, which is a very muted tone, and then I'm going to use the ColourPop lippy stick in the shade Ziggy, which is a beautiful orange color. Because my outfit is also orange, it will go really well. So this is my final look. I have done your brown smoky eyes. I actually used, for my eyeshadow, I used not more than 2 products. I used 1 palette, 1 kajal, and then I just added the rest of the base like I usually do. So this is a very beginner friendly video. It was done in almost 3 steps. This is a 3-step eyeshadow. You put your transition, put your kajal, set it with a similar colored eyeshadow, and it's done. You can just add your mascara and do the rest of your base and you're ready to go. You can try this with any other color you want. I will just be right back with my outfit. This is what my final look looks like. It's nice, glowing, warm, not too heavy, and has the perfect amount of glam and simplicity. My finished look, I did some really big jhumkas and a bindi, and I usually like to straighten my hair, but I'm just trying to get used to the curly texture of my hair, so I'm just going to keep it this way. But this is my tutorial for the wedding guest makeup look with brown smoky eyes. So I just kind of matched it with my jewelry, which is gold, the outfit, which is orange. I used all of those shades and tried to create this look. As you can see, it looks very neutral and balanced and not too heavy. I do look like a wedding guest and not the bride, which was my goal. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such quick and easy makeup tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.